Yeah, okay. Okay, so good afternoon to all. Yeah, well, very good afternoon. And today we are going to start with draw tools and modify tools. So once you complete the draw tools and modify tools, you jump to the, the sequencing to model it, the wall system, door system, or something, etc., etc., something like that. So therefore, we'll start with the some first basic things like how to hide, how to unhide, and also how to different type of hiding actually. So there is a draw tools and modify tools. How to check with the transparency. These are the things, few important things in the basic under the basic concept actually. So let us move to the how to work with this draw tools and modify tools. So I will go for either first story or ground floor, whatever it is. For example, I'm going to switch into the level 1. So even though I'm going to change for my convenient into scale factor, yeah, that's fine. And so where is the draw tools actually? So draw and modify tools under the modify. These are the things. Under the draw tools and modify, you can call it as basically it's a editing tools, draw and editing tools. So there is a geometry tools and modify tools. So these are the two things actually. So we'll start with the first modify tools. Hello, madam. Hello. So, madam, are you there? Usha, madam. Hello. Alex. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think some people, Alex and Swami, some people they're waiting to join. I think I don't know. I have a bit confused about this breakout room.
I have added Amitesh Singh just now.
All so there is a DCS. Some people so waiting. I think for joining. Please check it. I'm not sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm checking.
Yeah, please. Yeah. So where it was the draw tools and modify tools. For example, first I just go to take a one wall system. See the wall, this one, 8 inches, 9 inches. Don't care about this one. This is my wall. And also I'm going to draw something like that. So easy to understand in the this draw tools and modify. Before you have to multiple drawing, something like that. And also something like that. Like this. So back to the modify tools, there is a first one. See the you can go for any way. So on the top or bottom. So we'll start with the bottom, like copy first, and also move, rotate. You can find the commands, name, text, and as well as icon. It seems like in AutoCAD, and also you can find the shortcut. Also, once I move my cursor, there is a copy. The shortcut is CO. And also visibility, you can see the the video, something like that is the presentation. So how to copy or something. The help tools also you can find it here at the same time. So even the move, see the MV, rotate arrow, something. This is the extend, trim or something. Corner one, TR. So those things you can find it in the shortcut actually. So let us start with the copy, or you can also use the CO. See the I just type it CO, my command is activated as escape. Then or else you can select this one and click the copy. Now it's activated. Or it's simple, I'm typing my copy command from the keyboard, CO. See the now command is activated. So therefore you can use it whatever you convenient. So but always I'm using this way actually. So select this one and copy. And see, I'm going to copy this one from this point to this one or something, or else maybe I'm going to copy this one. So copy from this point to see how much the distance I need. I just simply specify. So there is a specified something like that. There is a specify. Just a moment here. Okay. Specify. Select this one and take the copy and asking to the to copy something, right? So click it somewhere at here. This is my point. You can also click the center point, or maybe you can use it the constraint, see the something, you can click it in outside. So where I need to place, you just follow the dimension. There's the dimension showing the bluish color, which is the dotted. That is name is called the dimension constraint. So it's showing the 15 feet or something or 14 feet. You can click it at here and continue to click because it's a command is multiple option. Multiple option is activated at here. See here, multiple option activated. So that therefore you can copy again. So for example, it's the 10 feet, something like that. Or else we can do another way. We can also give the director to distance. So copy this one. So select some base point from this point to what is the direction? For example, I need 15 feet. I'm going to typing now. 15 feet. See the simple. And again, from this point to how much actually it is a 10 feet again. See, this is the way we are going to construct the multiple, the copy the object single or multiple by using the typing distance or by using constraint, dimension constraint distance. So both way you can do it. The same similar way in move also. Copy we know very well because we very well know about the AutoCAD, right? So the same similar way move. Copy means we can generate or we can copy the multiple object from sources into destination areas from given distance, correct? So the same similar way move means what? Existing object will be shifted to the destination area, whatever it is, giving the distance, length, or whatever it is. So therefore, see how we can move this one, So select this one, go ahead at here, see the move from this point to this point, it may be the 9 feet or something. See the distance, 9 feet. It's a moved from this point to here. So this is the simple commands. And the next we'll go for rotate. So for example, I have a object, the small one. It is a wall, same similar way. So this object I need to rotate. There is a different options actually. So what was that? I just take the reference plane actually here. See this is my reference plane one, for example. Another reference plane at my midpoint. So there is a two reference planes. So a reference plane is nothing but lines. There is a two reference lines actually. So I want to rotate this one with respect to the midpoint, or I need to rotate this one with respect to the edge of the edge point, start point, which is similar like on AutoCAD. So, but when I click this, my rotate, always showing the center point. See, center point. So I just click it, the 90 degrees is a 0. Then I will give the axis around 35 or 45 or 30 degrees. I just type it the 30 degree. This is automatically it's rotated. It's given angle with respect to the center. But I don't want this one, center. So I need to rotate with the start point, right? So how can I do this one? See how we can do this one, So just select this one. Then you have to go to the rotate. And there is an option is available here, place. See, option is available, place. This is a new look, DS actually. I think last time, the beginning time, so I had some issue for the 2023, right? Yesterday at my free time, I installed this 2024. It's a new look, completely. It's a blackish, all the things, user interface and properties and everything. I think it looks like in AutoCAD similar. So very nice. So I think it's a good the software is very speed, running with speed. So nice. So let us see the so here there is a place option. See here there is a place option here. So you just click it this one and take the position. I have to click it here to rotate from, you see the 0 to, see something like 45 degrees. This is the something. So this is the something to use the rotation option by using what? By using the center position or by using the required place. So this is the options which is used rotate. So next one we'll go for the corner trim. In this connection, I'm going to create another one actually. So if I keep it something like that, you people easy to understand. Okay, corner like this. See that? So where it was corner trim, here see the TR trim, which is the corner one. This is also trim, but actually here notice that trim and extend is the single command only in Revit, but in AutoCAD is a separate one. Here is only the single command. See the trim and extend. And here is the single trim and sorry, this is the corner trim, corner extend. This is the single trim and the single extend. And this is the multiple trim and multiple extend. So let us move to check one by one. So corner trim first. So I'm going to click this one, going to click this one. So this corner is filleting, cut it according to the overshoots in the horizontal and vertical, right? So, and again, I undo it to repeat again this one, see the, click this one and select the first element and the second element to get it the corner trim. So next level, we'll go for the extend, the same similar way corner. So click this one and click this one, see the, now it's extended corners. So this is the something understanding the corner trim, corner extend, the perfect one. Okay, next we'll go for the single trim and single extend. So let us go to the, click the, whatever it is. For example, this one, I'm going to use the arrows to move the object. Okay. See, so these two objects are maybe the single object to extend to my perpendicular object, perpendicular wall means perpendicular object at here. So how to do this one, you know, so just come over the trim command or extend command. For this case is extend, this case is the trim. Don't forget. And it seems like in AutoCAD. So go to the first extend. First we have to select the, reference object, which is the perpendicular object to trim either extend. So in this case is the extend, right? So I have to select this one first, then click this one, then this will be extend now. See, click this one and click this one, extend. This is a single trim. Again, I repeat, see, undo, go to the single trim, single extend. But this case is extend, right? So both are the single command, don't forget. And you have to select the perpendicular object first and click the extend object to extend the nearest perpendicular line. In case I have another wall at here, but this object I need to extend to up to here. So therefore we need to select this one. But mistakenly, if we select nothing, but we have to use the 2 times. So something like that. Again, select this one, again, select something like that. Otherwise, what is the best way? So I have to extend up to here, right? So go to this one and select this one only, then click it this one. But you have to find the which edge we are going to select. So I will recommend to select the edge of the inner part, not for outer. Outer means object will coming something like that. It's not good. Coming like that. It's not exactly to like this actually, but it coming like that. But we can't see. but the object is already added up to the outer edge, but this is not correct. But we can't see. I'm not saying this is not a correct, but when getting the problem, when you're placing the column or something, or you need to break the wall, by the time you are getting some exactly inconvenient. So therefore, what I recommend, when you extend or trim, so you have to choose the inner edge at here, then click it this one. Exactly, this will be forming up to the center of this wall. Okay, so this is the something extend. Then let us move to the trim now. So same command here, see the same command. So therefore I'm going to click this one. I have to trim this one, this part. This part. I think my pen is not good color. I think so. Why? The 2024, maybe the screen. And we have the fantastic options also is given at here. See there is a view. We can also control the canvas actually. See the light color, dark color, light color, dark. It's like good. See the bit, so that you can manage the something like that, darkish or lightish. This is the new feature in the 2024. Okay, right. Then I will explain all the what is the new features in separate classes. But I remember that I told you. Okay, so we have the fantastic feature. I mean, around 10 to 15 is a new features actually that I will teach you later on. A few things is very nice, but not for all. Few things is very nice that we will discuss later on. Let us move to the the trim this one. So select this one and go to the trim single. Then what I'm going to do first, I need to take out this one, right? I need to take out this one so that first, therefore, I need to select the perpendicular one. And which one I need to take out? I need to take out overshoots in the beyond this wall, outside one. So therefore, I need to click this side only. Don't forget, trim is and extend is a bit difference. The different compared to the AutoCAD actually. AutoCAD, we are going to directly to click this one, that will be trimmed. But here we need to click this one to trim this part, outer side. So and again, I repeat this one, see, go to the trim and click this one. I have to take out this one. So click inside, the perpendicular to this horizontal object inside vertical one. So therefore, this will be trimmed. So next one, multiple trim and multiple extend. For the multiple extend, because this is ready to extend, right? So click it here. I have to extend in this up to this part. So therefore, I selected this one, and you have to use the one by one. See the like that, like that, like that. You can extend. Otherwise, see, you can also take the window option, which is similar like in AutoCAD. Select this one. Then you have to go to take the window option. Simple. You can touching the walls, then enter like some release the mouse. That's it, and click it outside. Automatically extended. So this is the something to single trim and the multiple trim, single extend, multiple extend, corner trim and corner extend. This is the fantastic one. And if you want to delete this one, see the object, normally what we can do, I need to delete this one. We can use the keyboard delete option. So we have the delete button, right? So directly you can use it, this one, it's a deleted. Otherwise, we can delete by using this one, see the delete. Or you can select the multiple also. Delete. See, this is the way we are going to delete and whatever it is, extend or trim or something. These are the tools. The next level, I jump to the top level. See the here. There is a align, there is a offset, pick axis and draw axis. Something there is, the mirror. I'm talking about the mirror, pick axis based and draw axis based mirror actually. So let us start with the one by one, which is align first. Or you can go to any one. So align. So what is align actually? See the align one. So align one, see. So align one. So this wall I'm going to flushing with this edge. So therefore I have to keep my wall in something like that, this similar way to uh, from this wall to shift into here by using the align option. So therefore, how we need to present this one? Basically, see the because I don't like to generate my wall system or to create my house something like that. So I have to go for something differently, not for this one. So I have to align this wall with respect to this one. So therefore, how we supposed to align this one? See that there is an option align, and I need to select the main wall, which is the destination wall, to align from the sources one. This is the sources one, this is the destination one. So therefore, I just click it this one, see the, and click this one, align. See, perfectly, it was aligned. See, yeah, you see. Yeah. Again, I repeat this one. See, like this. So go to the align. But this time I'm going to align this one. So click it this one and click this edge to align exactly to in this area. Okay, this is something to understanding the align. But where it was useful when we are supposed to using this one while creating the plan, I will explain this one actually where it was using, mostly. So align is many, I mean the many places that we can modify, but that we can use so in future drawings, I mean the modeling. So therefore it was very nice and it was very useful command actually align one, and column placing also it's very good, and also wall placing. So these are all these are all the concepts that we can use the align option. So next one, it goes to the offset method. See the offset. So for example, I have a wall at this one. See, I have a wall this one. So this one I need to roughly to copy or to give the some increment. Offset increment is around 10 feet. So how we supposed to use this command? You go to the offset, that you have to select the object, then asking to the offset distance here. See the in the top area. See here. How can I do that? I think maybe there some graphic issue. I'll check it because it's my color is not much thicker. It's a light issue, I think. Okay, so that I just give the some distance is a 10 feet. Yeah, good. Then I'm going to offset like see like this, like this. Now see the carefully to apply because here is the duplicate is created. Undo. To the alignment like this. So this is something to understanding the offset actually. So offset distance. And the next one will go for the mirror pick axis and draw axis. There is a two options actually, pick axis and draw axis. So what is a pick axis? For example, so this is my column. I need to mirror this one from this point to this grid to this grid. How much 13 feet to 3 inches, for example. The same similar way, this side also somewhere at here. I have to mirror it somewhere at here. See, now its color is good. Huh? I think something wrong. I think my color library is wrong, maybe not for the software. Huh? This is the first time I'm using the 2024. Okay. Okay, so this is the something too, because from this point to this point, how much distance, the same similar way I'm going to mirror by using the pick axis, to that side. So therefore, I just select my column, and there is an option actually pick axis. This is my axis. See, automatically it comes at here. See that? From this center to this center, how much distance? It's the same similar way. This one to this one is the same way. So next one is a draw axis. Draw axis. So draw axis means we don't have any reference at here. For example, we don't have any reference. We have only the one model line reference at here. For example, something like that. So this one also you can use the center line option or maybe the reference line. So how we can, mirror it this one draw axis, see that, for example, draw axis. So this is my first point, and this is the second point, or you can use the constraint option to click it somewhere. See, from this point to this center one, or maybe this line center, how much distance, from here to that side center line. So this is something to understanding the mirror, which is the draw axis, and the another one, which is pick axis. I think this is the pick axis, this is the draw axis. Done. So next one we'll go for. There is a in the bottom, so there is a two things actually, which is the array, and the other one is the scale factor. Okay. So first we will go for array. So where it was array, let us come to select this one and go to the array. Then how much the distance to array? I need around 10 points at here. So I'm going to typing at here. 10 points, 10 numbers. And how much the distance, So from this point to around 10 feet. So now asking to, is there any 10 numbers or maybe 5 numbers, or you want to modify into 15 numbers, whatever it is, so that you can keep it again modified. So that all the walls is copied with respect to the this one array. The array is nothing but to generate the any direction, like 0 or 90, or sorry, 0 or y, x coordinate and y coordinate, or even the g coordinate also. We can mostly we are using the local axis only, x and y. Okay, so this is the something to understanding the array command. The next one will go for the scale factor. So scale factor, it's not much useful, but it is useful for to scale for the combined element, or master element, or maybe the how you say, it is a group of element. It's a group of element that we can change, but single element is not much useful actually for this scale factor. But anyway, I will teach you this one, so the how it will be used actually. See. Yeah, I think it's a group. See the, if I'm trying to copy this one, because after arraying, this is in group actually. See, this is I selected, nothing is there, because this is the different one, copy option. But once I array, so once we make it array, use it array command, these are all the things is a group. See, it's showing. So you just go to ungroup it. Now it's a individual element. Individual element. So what we are going to do, this is I'm going to same similar one. I need to create it here to make it a scale. For example, it's a 20. So my dimension is the 20. See, perfect. So that I have to keep, or maybe I have to scale this one, see that scale. Why I'm saying actually scale command is not much useful, because before on that we will discuss. I need to modify this one. Simple, you can click the dimension, keep it the 5 feet. Done. Over. Or you just click this one or 30 feet. Then over. So this is very easily, very fast that you can change. But how to scale X direction and Y direction something by using the scale command, So let us see how to use this one. Go to the scale command. Now asking to specify the first point. So I need to click here. So now again see I need to keep it the smaller or bigger, whatever it is, you have to decide. For example, I need to something like that, 12 feet, 6 inches or 13 feet, whatever it is, 14 feet, simple. See, this is the way we are going to check the scale command, but scale command uh, is not much useful to using the singular element actually. Single element mostly we are going to click this one and go to the dimension constraint, click it this one and easy to modify it. Simple, see, 25 feet. So this is the best one, the scale command. So manual one is the best one. So next one, there is an option at here. See, there is a pin, unpin, and see these two things first to discuss. Pin, unpin. This is the pin one, unpin, and this is the pin one. Yeah. See what is a pin, what is unpin? So for example, my alignment is something like the object. So, but I need to align at here, correct? I need to align at here. This one I need to align at here. So therefore, what we need to do, so we need to specify the distance and check the dimensions, whatever it is, So that according to so that we can move it. Second option, it's a align, but this we can happy to do it, no issue. For example, simple coming to this one and simple you can align it. Done. The work is done, but it's not like that. So what was that? So go to the option is so I'm going to align, but this will not align actually. So because I'm going to stop you, use the some how you say, there is a pin unpin options actually. See, pin unpin option. What is a pin unpin? If the object is pin, we can't align, we can't do something modification. So that is must be it seems like in lock sleep mode. So you can't disturb that one. So in case if not modify, what we need to make it a unpin, which is break up the element to move. So what we are going to do, see there is a pin unpin. So I just click it this one. I'm going to keep the so where it was. Yeah, here, this one. This two. This is the pin actually. So make it a pin. And click this one and make it unpin. I can see this is the unpin. Because this is in pin mode actually. So therefore, what we are going to do. So I just select this one. So it's a pin mode, right? So this one I'm going to flush to head here. So therefore, what I can do, go to the modify tools. I'm going to align this one. This is selected, but this is I'm going trying to click cannot move because it's a under the constraint element. It's a locked element, or maybe we can control this element by using the or to yeah, of course, controlling this element by using the how you say pin unpin method. Okay, controlling by using another command. So therefore, see the, for example, I just click it to align, cannot. So what we need to do, we have to select this one and check unpin, or maybe you can go for it. Directly see here, you can go for this one, unpin it like this. Now it's a unpin. So now therefore what we need to do, we have to go to the align, see, like this, or undo, like this. So anyway, we are going to keep it the options actually, top to bottom, bottom to top, that we have to create the pin unpin. So and there is a last comments under the modify tools, which is the split element and the split with gap. So therefore, I'm going to coming to this side. I think it's my best, my convenient, I do one thing. This one, just move to here. So now I'm going to check the other one, which is the, see here, there is a split element, there is a split with gap. So what is a gap? What is a split with gap? Where you can use this one? How it will be used this one? So for example, I just explained the how to split with gap, just see. Then after that, we will discuss about the purpose to split actually, but where we going to split this one. Okay. So for example, coming to the split one, actually, there is a options is a split C, split element. So I'm going to click it at here. See now this one is a splitted at here. See, if I select this one, it's a single element. You can also see the in the preview on the right side, 3D preview. And also this one separate one, but there is no gap here. Make sure there is no gap. There is no gap. So what we are going to do, the next time we'll go for the split with gap. So again, I have to use the elements without element. So this one is a splitted. So if you see the screen, yeah, see that. I just select this one. See that the small element has been splitted. Something like that. So yeah, it's a join, no issue. You can break it somewhere. Yeah. So this is a separate one. This is a separate one. But we are going to using the split with gap options also. So where we can do this one, so I'm going to break it somewhere at here. See in this one, in this area. So that I'm going to use it the gap option. See that there is a split with gap. So the gap distance, so here see the gap distance. So that gap distance, I will go for 1 feet. It's a 12 inches. So I'm going to split up here. See that? This is the gap. This is the gap. And also just to try that here. Like this. So all the way it's a splitted, separated. So this is the way we are going to use the split with gap or something. So these are the tools actually we successfully completed. Okay. This one. So next we will jump to the time. How much the time is 51, right? Okay. So I will finish it. This is not for all. I think so. 2, 3 comments is pending. Some other thing is still related. Okay. So now see. Full wall. If it's something like yes. Okay. So where is the my tools? You know, so there is actually demolish, there is a paint, and there is a steel splice, split faces. Of course, this is also good one, and also wall join or something. These are the tools. How much we covered that we can cover it today. The rest of things we'll discuss tomorrow. So then go to the actually first one is demolish. So for example, what is a demolish? What is the meaning of demolish? You know, so normally, as my experience, I already work in 3 countries and rounded around the 7 countries actually. But what I noticed, you know, India is different entire, but we have the own properties. But if you go for in other countries, there is no maximum number of people. They have no own properties. All the properties, lease property from the authorities, government. When you go for the Singapore, there is no own properties because the land is very small. So completely it's a government property. You have to take the lease 100 years, 50 years or something. Even though house also you have to buy the house for 100 years only, right? So for example, what is the this demolish? We already constructed our house with respect to the government permission. So we take the permission from the authorities. We have the we take the plan. I mean we put it on plan and elevations and whatever it is 3D view or something, and we go for to meet to structural engineer to get the approval. After that we submit to the government and we supposed to get the approval. Then we started the work and completed. For example, okay. But in future, so this kind of house, you people, you know, you don't like. I think you feel like it's not. I mean, it's not comfortable actually. So that therefore, this wall we are going to flush to this area. For example, this wall we are going to flush to in this area. So therefore we have to take out this one, remove to propose the new one. What is my proposed actually? So this is my proposed one to connect this one. So that therefore this one. So therefore that we have take out means, you know, but India, what happened in the whole night, you know, so we can call the Mestri or something labor, we can do it night and early morning, we can go inside. It's just a house warming inside, no issue. But in foreign, it's not like that. So we have to take the permission from the government. Means this is the proposed one, this is the existing one, demolish, and newly proposed one. This is the new one. That you have to specify on the drawing and take the approval. Once pass this one, then only you can start the construction. Because even though it's my house, so I'm staying at here, so I'm digging the soil, I'm doing this one, I'm constructing this one. If you do this one, you know, you can get the, I think they put the very, you know, I think is a high amount of fine. High amount of fine. So it's maybe the $50,000 or something. It's very dangerous, you know. It's very dangerous. So that therefore what we can do, so we have to take the permission. Before and that we need to do the demolish and create the, you know, the create the proposed one, new one. So therefore what we can do, so coming to this one, first I'm going to create this one. So align, see the align exactly like this. So this is my the new one. This should be, I need to demolish. But so now because this is a continuous line, right? So I can't show the demolish entire. If I select this one, This field also, I mean, the left side one also showing the demolition mode. So therefore, what we need to do, see these tools are useful now. See just split the element at here. Just split it at here. So now see this one is splitted, this one separated, right? This one separated. Now we have to select this one and make it demolition. This one and this one. See? So we are not supposed to take out this one. It's a blue color, but we can't see because the background screen is a black one, right? See, already is there. See, already is there. So that authorities they easy to understood. So we are putting the someone text at here. This area to be removed, demolished, removed / demolished. This area to be newly proposed one, newly constructed. So that therefore they easy to understood. We already pay the some amount right for the authorities for getting the approval. Then immediately they give the approval. Then we can renovate our house according to our requirement. So this is the useful for the demolish. And the next one will go for the paint. We can also make it a color something. You can make it some color at here. See that. No problem. Okay, no issue. Keep it that way. Then, so what I can do, what is the time? Yeah, so I think 4 o'clock I have to go for our class. Primary, is there any people? Hello, madam? Hello, Shaji? Hello? Hello? Hello, madam? Hello? Hello? So, anybody to join to the next session Primavera from this batch? Any? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. That's actually that I need to check. So I think so maybe the other people is joining, or maybe you people are continue the Primavera. I'm not sure actually. That I need to speak to Usha madam. Hello, Usha madam. Hello, Usha ji. Hello, Usha madam. Okay, no issue. So I think I will close it within 5 minutes for this Revit session. Then we'll jump to the Primavera again.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, for Primavera, we have to join again, sir, a new meeting.
Okay. So I think
same meeting.
you people are continue the same class, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. Okay, no problem.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
fine,
I
sir.
was out. Can you please repeat, sir?
Yeah, actually, I have to start the other session, which is the Primavera 4 to 5, madam, actually, today.
Yes, sir.
But tomorrow is the 2 to 3. Again, I remind you, remembering you all, actually, the classes, Primavera classes start from 2 to 3 only. And 3 to 4 is the Revit. But unfortunately, today I have a busy schedule. I just, the starting class, I put it to 4 to 5 today itself. But tomorrow, the Primavera will resume 2 to 3 only, tomorrow onwards. So therefore, 2 to 3 is the Primavera tomorrow onwards, and 3 to 4 is, which is the BIM is 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is the BIM. So this is the schedule, don't forget. In case if any urgent or something, my side,
And 2 to 3, sir?
2 to 3 is the Primavera.
Okay, and 3 to 4 is the BIM.
Yes. I will write it just a moment so that
Please inform all your batchmates.
see that, and 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. P6 Primavera. P6 Primavera, and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Same, it's a BAM. BAM. So in case if any something to adjust my schedule, maybe the before and after until it's not changing actually, but only the today I have to request to the management to adjust it. So only the today class, but usually from Monday to Friday, 2 to 3 is the Primavera and 3 to 4 is the BAM Revit. Okay.
Sir, today is first session of Primavera.
Which one?
Primavera, sir. Today is the first session of Primavera.
Yes, exactly. Today is the first one, first session.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. So please to be wait another 5 minutes so that we can start. So next one, see that there is an option.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, for senior batch, sir, when will the MEP will start?
I think we have to finish the first Revit architecture, masonry one. Then after that structure one, then next level it's a MEP. Maybe I will be available after two.
What, sir, for
Yes.
senior students, we have to wait, no, sir, to complete the architecture.
So how many people is there actually in the MEP?
Sir, we have completed na architecture or structure, sir, no?
Yes,
Sir, we have
yes.
already completed architecture and structure portions.
Already
Approx 10
completed.
students
Then
are
what
there.
will we do, sir?
The whole 37 batch are completed for structure and architect.
36 and
Okay.
37.
Yes, sir.
So I think I will check with management and I will let you know by next session. I think
Sir,
architectural
can you
structure.
take new, say, okay.
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, can you take new classes of MEP, sir?
Yeah, so new classes means I need to check my schedule. Actually, I have a busy schedule, so that I need to check.
What, sir, 36 batch and 37 batch already completed architecture and structures portions.
Okay. So these are all the things is completed, your side?
So we are waiting almost 10 to 15 days, sir, for the MEP classes.
Okay. So, you people already, I mean, the Revit architecture and Revit structure is completed, right? Your batch.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no. Sir, it's
I
not
don't
all
know
batch.
actually who is saying no, who is already completed, So you do one thing. I think I will check with Usha madam after.
No, sir.
finishing
36 batch and 37 batch already completed, sir.
But
What
I'm
38
not
was
sure about the
present, sir.
batches actually. I'm not sure about the batches. I have to know the batch type of the batches from the management because two people are
Then you
talking.
should, sir, just contact to the Usha ma'am, sir.
Yes, that I'm telling. I have give me the some time so that I will
Okay.
speak to them and I'll let you know.
Sir, we will speak with Shraddha ma'am and then.
Yes, because I'm a newly I started, right? So I'm not much aware of the batches, how much is completed, is not completed, I'm not aware of that one. So that therefore, madam will be so give the solution by tomorrow, no issue. Use until you can continue. So
We'll wait till then, sir.
yes. So therefore, see here, there is a paint. There is an option is available at paint. See, this today we'll finish it the last one. This one. There is realistic. Here also fine. Otherwise, you can take out this one. With the 2D realistic. Yeah. So see what is a paint? There is a two options actually in the architectural or structural or something. So here we already applied some color. See this is the appearance, material, and also to apply some color by using the directive from there only. Correct? Directive from there only. But what is the additional this one? This is something like a paint, like a paint. So how we can do this one? See the paint. There is a basic painter libraries is displayed here. See what I can do. I just click it this one and apply it here. See the now paint, and I just click it this one to apply the paint. See, and click this one to apply the some paint here. Yeah, the same coloring. So click this one to apply the paint. See that. Click this one to apply the paint, something like that. See, but how to remove this one? And again, see there is an option. See that remove the paint. Click it at here. See that. Click it at here. Click it at here. And click it at here, so that you can get back the same. So this is the something to I just hold it this one now today because we have to switch to the primary array. So this is the over 2 comments, and the remaining things you will check it back tomorrow. That's it today for the modify tools, draw tools, and I think the 3, 4. I think 4 is pending, that will be finishing by tomorrow. No issue. So I just delete, close it this one session. Next. We'll just take the 5 minutes break, and I will come back after having some water. Please wait.
Hello.
Yeah, madam. Yes, 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 please.
Okay, I just wanted to know what is the requirement so that I can put it across to ma'am or sir.
Yeah, so actually some people, I think so 2 days back also some people they asking, so we need to start the MEP also. I'm not sure actually BIM is nothing but there is a 3 softwares, madam, actually Revit architecture and Revit structure, Revit MEP. So Revit, first we have to complete one by one. There is a sequencing, Revit architecture and Revit structure, then only we can jump to the Revit MEP. But how many people are completed Revit architecture, Revit structure? I'm not sure. There is a batches are connected, right? So please check with them. Then
Okay. I think we can bifurcate students and then.
yeah, I think Sandeep sir told to me to start the from the beginning. Actually, I'm not sure. Please check with. Maybe the after coming, maybe the this month end, or maybe the almost probably this month ending. Maybe I will be there, so that after that we can shuffle, because I have an existing class also here. So I'm rushed to complete that one. I can't spend
We'll discuss
another.
with the management and
Yes,
then.
yes, yes, please, please. So please, I mean, so start out this conclusion actually. So I think how much the structure is completed, how much is architecture is completed, the from the batches, and those who are joined for the newly to start this architecture, so that we have to check it filtered from the list, I think.
Okay, sir, we will do that. You can continue, sir.
Yes, 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 yeah, okay. So okay, so thank you, dear, and we are going to moving to.
Sir,
Yes, 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 please.
when will you come for offline batch, sir?
Yeah, probably after 3 weeks. So
Okay,
please
sir.
wait, no issue.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This month, probably this month end, I will available, no issue. Okay, so you can
Sir, come
see.
fast, sir.
Yeah, really, actually, the problem is I have the some urgent commitments at here, and also some projects, deadlines, projects, and also some classes, college dealings that I have to close it before to land there. So that is the rushing to the do that one.
Actually,
That's
sir.
Yes, yes.
act- Actually, sir, I love your teaching style, na, so I am so
Thank you
waiting
very
for
much.
your.
Thank you very much. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Thank you for recognizing. So I love you. I love you to all, because not only you, internationally, I love to my people. I love my this my experience actually. Thank you. Thank you very much. And okay, so Primavera. Basically, what is a Primavera? How we supposed to work with Primavera? What is the purpose to work with the Primavera? So I think in the initial class, I already explained about the some verticals in civil engineering and mechanical engineering. So therefore, there is a draw tools. Where is my pen? Okay. So there is a draw tools. There is a more BIM tools. There is analysis and design tools, and there is a mapping tools, and another one is the last one. This is the last one. This is the fifth one, which is the project planning and management. All right. Or you can PPM, you can call as a PPM, project planning and management tools. So what is a project planning and management? There is a almost 4-5 software is there, I think so. So, but in this software, I know where this Primavera and MS project and also estimator. So completely building estimator, this one. So these are all the belongs to actually PPM concept. So when we are going to start the project, when we are going to finish the project, then how it will be finish the project, how to schedule the project. These are the things actually in the steps actually. So why we are supposed to using the project planning? What is the users of this one? So for example, we are, for example, this is the rainy season, and we are going to make a slab today, for example. I'm a site engineer, you people are mechanical engineers, some other people maybe the electrical engineer. We are all I mean, the operation is going on site, for example, today, but suddenly it's raining. What happened? So there is a 10 people or 10 to 15 people, labor workers are waiting. So I mean, the fully raining, we can't do the slab design. I mean, the slab, the how you say, I mean, the concrete pouring. So ultimately, what we need to do, we have to stop today work, and we have to go for tomorrow as feasible time. I think it's a free time. So so that today we have to postpone. Definitely, we have to postpone. But at the same time, for example, you are an engineer, we have to pay the amount to the labor. If you not pay the today payment 700 or 800, today, they don't come by tomorrow, because they already came to site office to start the work. So therefore, what happened? People are waiting to work, but unfortunately there is obstructions raining, right? So therefore, we have to pay the amount. These are all the risk factors. What I'm saying, these are all the risk factors. So what is the risk? So today is a law. Actually, it is a loss. I think at least we have to pay the 7 people, means it's around roughly it is a 7,000 to 10,000, including our engineer per day remuneration also. We have to mention. We have to add it. So almost is a 10,000 to 15,000 is loss. So these things, we have to adjust by tomorrow, or we have to adjust this week. These are the actually planning. So in this planning, we have the actually, I will go for it. In case if you want to take some screenshots or something, EDS, you can take it. So we'll just briefing what is a Primavera, how it will be working. So I told you, right, it's a PPM, project planning and management. So project planning and management. So second one, what is the sequences? How to start actually, how to finish the sequence, you know. So specify the start point, specify the end point. So what is a specify start point and specify end point? So what is the basic start definition and end definition actually? So that we need to discuss about this one. For example, what is a project actually? There is a project here. There is a specific start point, end point. What is a start point? A group of activities. I think it's a recording. It may be you can also take the record from your system. I think so. So a group of activities. It's the start and end. It's nothing but it's a project. We are going to start the today and finishing the maybe the next year one project. And today is I think today this is the June, right? So maybe we have the targeted actually we need to finish the project in the month of December. Maybe in between this one we need to finish. Means today is the start one. December maybe this year end December 15th is the deadline. Roughly I'm telling. So that is the finish date, end date. So that is the main thing actually. It's a group of activities. In between this one there is a different type of activities. What are the activities? Activities is nothing but like putting I mean the laying, or maybe you can design of the or construction of the, you can call any activities, any name of this one. So construction of the footing and or maybe the file cap or maybe the column beam. These are all the activities. Even though so this one also architectural part also, there is a wide there is a wide range of MEP actually. Architectural, structural, MEP. It's called as a project management. These three activities inside the, I mean the three BIM activities inside the the project planning actually. Don't forget, but we have to go for the sequences like architectural and structural and MEP. So therefore, a group of activities with start and end, it's nothing but it's a project. In this case, you know, define the scope. What is a definite? How to defining the scope of the project and the sequences actually. How the sequence is. So what is the start of the project actually? Start the project is called a event. You can call it as a EVENT. So today is a start. So for example, you people, you know, right? So while college days or something, so I have an event, I have to go, I must go. You fight with your parents, mom and dad. I need 1,000 rupees. I have to attend the event because that is starting today. You don't miss it. Or maybe there is a KGF is released today itself, part 2, correct? So we have to see in the start. I mean the first show. Today is an event, starting day. Tomorrow is not an event. That is a running day. Picture is running now because they already released yesterday. For example, today is the second day. So that is the event. Start of the project is called a event. So end of the project is called again SOP. So we can call it as SOP, EOP, end of the project. Start of the project event, and even though end also you can call it as an event, but start and event you can mention SOP and EOP. Start of the project, end of the project. This is the something. And the next one, project planning. The meaning means basically we need to increase our skills. We have to using some techniques to use some tools from the activities to finish the project and to get the deadline and to finish the deadline with the project requirement. That is name is called actually application usage. And basically project planning. Planning means we know very well. So what is the planning means? Today we started and maybe after 2 months or 1 year we are going to finishing. And in between there is a different kind of activities going on. These are all the things is a planning. Means tomorrow I have to do the foundation. That is a planning. and tomorrow I need to engage the 2 lorries to dump the some this one cement bags. That is a one. Day after day, tomorrow we have to do some of the concrete work. So therefore we need some steel. So we need to purchase some steel to keep it on the site one day before. These are all the things is a planning. And what is the management? Planning we know very well. You know, everyone you know. Okay, what is the planning? I have to go to attend the one conference. That is today's planning. Tomorrow, it's a event. We can't miss out that one. We lost some knowledge. That is it is a planning. What is the management? So that I'm coming actually. It's a project management. Here is the project planning and the project management. So what is the management, project management? Basically, we already discussed about a group of application to start the event or close the event. It is nothing but it's a project, right? So management skills means, so a group of applications like something like knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques. This is under the project planning and management. So project planning is nothing but its activities. Management is nothing but this one actually. Skills and tools and techniques, and these are the things actually under the project management. So okay, all right. Then what is a project management process? So this is the project management. What is a project management? We know very well. So what are the project management? Basically, it is how to work with the project and how to develop to work with the tools actually, and how to keep it some activities or something. So these are all the things actually management. But what is the process in the project management? So first, I think if you need, you can write down. The first one is initiating. So first we have to initiating the project. What is initiating? So do you have any idea? So see what is the meaning of initiating? For example, we have the Econstruct company. We are the team members, 50 members or 100 members or whatever our civil engineering side. For example, roughly there is 20 members for roughly, for example. So there is a planning department, there is a design department, there is a construction division, there is the design and drafting is the same way. So and also documentation, tendering department. So initiating is nothing but we are not involving the design people, or you people are not. You are the BIM division under the you people are working under the design team. So you are not doing any kind of initiating. So initiating is nothing but there is some tendering people, QC people. Those people are going to the initiating the project. So what is initiating? For example, there is a big project, government of Karnataka. They are going to launching into in Bangalore some area. It's maybe it's around 200 crores or 300 crores roughly. I'm telling. So that we have to catch up that one. How to get it the tendering, how to get it prepare the document, how to get it the agreement, how to make it an estimation. These are all the things it's coming the initiation. So before start this is the process. The project management process actually. Initiating means those people, the government are release the tender. We have to code the tender first. What is our positive and the negatives? Those are all the things we have to analyze. So therefore we have to go to how much the SFT square feet, the cost, what is the infrastructure, what we have the lorries, what we have the dozers, what we have the laborers, what we have the strength of the technical people. These are all the things we need to put it on paper. Initiating, documentation, agreements, and estimation. So that the first point is the initiating. I will let you know the first points one by one. Initiating, planning, executing, and the fourth one is the monitoring and controlling, and the final one is the closing. There is a 5 points. Can you see here? Yeah, here this is it. Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing the project. So therefore, what was that planning? So initiating, we know very well. Initiating, we know very well. Tendering people, those who are experienced with the coding, they submitted the project to the authorities. Yeah, finally we got it, the project approval. So that the code is we got it, for example. So what is the next level planning? So planning is work day to day. So what is the today? What is the tomorrow? Because there is an option. They give us some schedule. The government of Karnataka, I mean the how you say in the Bangalore city, I think PVMZ something, the Mahanagar. How you say in the Mahanagar? It's a metro authorities. There is a separate team, right? So those people, they give us some schedule. So that we have to follow the things actually. Plan to work day to day. Today, what we need to do. Tomorrow, what we need to do. They give us something. You have to finish the, today is the pile foundation. You must finish. So these are the things that we need to do. Otherwise, not in one day, DS actually. Maybe that they give the Monday to, it's around 1 week time or 3 days or 4 days time, according to the working schedule actually. So in time that we have to finish. And also we go for the next week again, after finishing, then we go for the some the how you say the then see the, I mean the financial, there is a financial, we have to release the some fund from there only. We have to take the money again. We have to request to release the amount again. So these are all the things under the plan. Then once you complete the planning, then we go for the executing. So what is the planning? Tomorrow we need to do the, I mean the foundation, for example, piling. We need to do the some deep piling. So that means tomorrow we have to do that one. So means tomorrow, not today. So tomorrow we have to start the execution. And the third one is the execution. So how to executing the project actually. So according to the, I mean the planning activities, that you have to do one by one. Then after that, the monitoring and controlling. So what is the monitoring? There is a QC people is there, quality control and quality assurance. Separate department, planning engineer, Primavera, and QC people, quality assurance, quality control, material engineering. These are all the people are going to be, how you say, what is the right word, coordinate. These are all the people must be coordinate, so that we can monitoring and controlling the, what is the monitoring and controlling? It's a quality and a controlling. Quality, we have to check the quality, and therefore, and again at the same time, we are controlling the cost. So don't waste the cost actually. So so this is the something to project management process. And the last one, it's a closing. Once complete that, what was that? It's a closing. Start a one project and close a one project. That's it. Start to end. That is a SOP, EOP. Start of the project, end of the project. So therefore, what is the project management process? Initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling and closing. Next one. So next one is a project life
Hello,
cycle.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question that,
Please.
sir, what is the main work of a BIM engineer in these type of project management work?
BIM engineering, it's involved to modeling the structure, which is the architecture and structural and the MEP. And also they are going to be taking the some quantities to show the, like, which is the BOQ, bill of quantities, bill of material. And also we can also do the some execute the project planning and management. These are all the activities in the construction stage and as well as in office area. mostly. But
Okay, sir.
by
Who
using the BIM, we can't do any kind of design. Design is concept is different, but as a engineer, you know, if you know the design, you know, you have to do the modeling, and after that you can do the design. Sorry, you have to do the design first, then after that you can make it a modeling.
Okay.
This is the activities.
Sir, who prepare the tendering document?
Tendering, that I'm telling, you know, so for example, you are a graduate engineer, you are a civil engineer in one of the college, for example. There is a different branches is inside. Not only for the college is not running with only the civil engineering branch. So there is a mechanical, CSE, electrical, automobile, so many things, ECE. There is a one engineering college. The same similar way, one consultancy, one Tata consultancy, there is a number of verticals. So they want to get a one big metro project in Bangalore, for example. There is a one Tata consultancy. What is there, you know? So it's not in simple. One or two people is not involved to get the project. There is a different verticals actually. Give me a moment. Sorry, yeah. So I mean, it's not in one or two people are not involving this project. There is a group of people. Means there is a civil department, civil designing and drafting department. There is a mechanical engineering department. There is a electrical engineering department, electrical department, and there is a ECA department. There is a number of group of departments are involved. So where it was the planning, I mean the planning engineering is involved in the same department, which is the civil engineering. This is the one thing. And as you question, the answer is actually who is the tendering document. I mean, these are the things, you know, to QC. So there is a parental department, there is a child department again. Parental department is a civil. We're coming to the civil, for example. Parental department is the civil actually. Under the parental department, again, there is a verticals, branches, the child departments, like transportation, construction department is separate one, and design department is kind of separate one, and drafting department is the separate one, and tender is the separate one, and QC is the separate one. Almost is the 7 to 8 departments involved in one main parental department. So if you're asking the who can do the tendering, means definitely the civil engineering will do, mechanical engineering will do, but these are the based on the department. Those who is expert in the tendering, those who are expert in the documentation, those who are expert in the QC, those are all under those people are working under the parental department. This is the something. Okay. Then next one we'll go for the project life cycling actually. So what is a project life cycle basically, you know? So this is the something to initiating, planning, design, implement, and closing the project, to controlling the execution, and as well as start to end the time duration. This is the actual life cycle. And what is the project management knowledge area? Basically, what is the type of project management and I mean what is the knowledge under the project management, you know? So integration, scope, time management, cost management, quality management, HR, human resource, communication, risk management, procurement. These are all the different type of managements is in the under the project management actually. What is a integration? Integration means so it's a relation in between one to activities. Actually, what is the activities? Those things, you know, I just open the software. So integration, integrate. So integrate means what is the main department actually? Design and engineering, or maybe the foundation. Under the foundation, what was that actually? First, we have to prepare the site preparation and also underground water lines or something. These are all the things under the foundation only. So these are the interlink actually. This is the initiating actually, integration. And also integration is nothing but how much what is the meaning of integration, you know? Sorry, what is the integration means, you know? So how to interact with the people, so relation in between the activities to activities actually. And the next one is a project scope management. So what is the scope actually? How to work with the under the scope management. And time management. Time, of course, we know the very easy name actually. So what is it today? What we need to complete by tomorrow? Okay, so that is a time management. There is time management and cost management and how to reduce the cost. I told you, right? So today, almost 20 people are reached to the site to start the or execute the work. Unfortunately, it's a raining. So what we need to do? So we have to stop the thing. We waited until to evening. Now 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So there is a deadline. People, you know, the workers, they are not stay long hours, right? So there is they came 9 o'clock to operate up to the 5 o'clock. Then after that, they back to home, right? So that we need to reduce the cost, and so that we have to plan it. That is a cost management. What is the planning? So tomorrow, so we already paid my amount actually, right? We already paid. So that tomorrow we have to request to the all. So we have to work additional 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe we can come early by tomorrow to start the work early, so that we can finish the bit lately by tomorrow. So that we have to request to how you say, you know, to inform to the all, you know, to start by early and finish by as early as possible by tomorrow, today and tomorrow work, or maybe the 2 days. Today is something happen, at least you have to finish the coming additional 2 days, maybe the tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that we have to finish the today work. So including tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So this is the cost management. Okay. Well, what is the quality? So, but today the work is, I think, is a breakdown, right? So today is there is no work, but tomorrow we started the today work and tomorrow work also. You have to finish, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. But at the same time, you have to find the quality. Don't miss out the quality. Don't rushing to work. But we are using the additional time, spending the additional time instead of today. I mean, as per the today last schedule. So at the same time, we have to maintain the quality. Don't forget this one. Quality is the important. Then next level is the human resource management. Of course, HR department to communicate. So, for example, we are need to coordinate with them, because those people are material engineer and office people are they're going to be procurement. They're going to be purchasing and send to the material to the site. You know, so we need to coordinate with the human resources HRD department. And communication management. So human resources there, with human resources we have to communicate with the other verticals, mechanical engineer, material engineer. So we are going to alert the material engineer. We are sending some kind of material. Please stay at the site to please to be keep properly inside the godown. So in case of raining, you know, this will be spoiled. We are going to alert to the mechanical engineer, material engineer. So that is a communication management. So simply So people are, so I'm for example, civil engineer, you are the material engineer, someone is there. So simply without information to me, some people are, the lorry or some shopkeeper is sent to the material and they already reached to the site. A driver and that helper is waiting to unloading. They said the shopkeeper or something, the company is called, so where are you driver, so are you unloaded material, sir? Nobody is not there site, we are waiting to unloading. Simple. Raining is coming, so what happened, we are losing. So that we need to alert the our staff. That is the communication management is most important. For example, people is not informed to me, how can I understood? Or people is not informed to you, material engineer, how he knows. So that they have to go and site, they have to go to site and to alert all the helpers or something team to unload the material. That is name is called actually communication management and risk management. And while unloading or something to activities or doing the area, there is a risk management, something safety. These are all the things. And also some material is unloading time, carefully handle these things. Some material maybe the breaking or something. The how we say, it's a how we say it's a like some kind of bricks, for example. We are unloading the bricks, so don't throw it like a stone, because the brick is breaking, so it's almost losing the bonding and the strength is losing the strength actually. So that is carefully to the unloading the material like bricks or something, the risk management, and also careful to keep the proper way to unloading. So and also last one is like a procurement material or something. These are all the things is under the procurement. So that next level, what was it? Yeah. So what are the techniques for the PPM, project planning and management? So CPM, critical path method, and the PET, program evaluation and review techniques. So CPM, critical path method, we have actually the exercises. These are all the things I will go for one by one. No worry. So where it was exercises. Yeah, so these are the CPM, critical path method. I will give the exercise also, no worry. So this one, how to construct the network map following activities by using the CPM. So this is the something to, how to work with the how to show it in Primavera, this method. Normally, we are going to using on paper, actually critical path method. We are going to keep it the some or draw the some network path. But the same thing, how to use the critical path in the Primavera, that I will that we will discuss later on. And what is a PET? The program evaluation and review the techniques. Actually, these are all the things we will check it out. Yeah, so this is the something to understanding the project management process actually. So next, what is the time? Is 44, and we have a few things. I think coming 2 days of the we need to discuss about the theory part only. And then the same thing, I'm going to display. Actually, you have to take the snap and write it on notes. That could be helpful while practicing or while working on the Primavera real project actually. So don't forget. So this is the something to take. Then next level we will discuss about the other option. What is the cost analysis? We have something, we'll discuss about the some cost analysis. Basically this cost analysis based on the 3 types actually: planned value, actual value, earned value. Again I repeat, I think we can write it, that would be better. So what is that? It's a planned value, first one. I think pen is something down there. Okay, no worry. So that is a first one. I just put it the shortcut. Don't worry. So planned value EV. Second one, there is a actual value AV, and third one is earned value EV. So you can write it full name. Don't forget. So there is a planned value, actual value, and value. What is the planned value? So basically the planned value cost information and schedule information on the baseline. What is the baseline? Again, I will coming to the next level. Don't confuse me. We have the options actually baseline, how to create the baseline. So simple, they're asking you people are already learned the primary, for example. Some people they're asking, for example, when you supposed to attend the interview, simply they're asking, so can you show the baseline? Or can you explain about the baseline? What is the baseline? The baseline is nothing but cost and schedule information. So that is the thing. So what is the baseline? That we will discuss later on. So this is the baseline. Baseline is nothing but cost under, planned value is nothing but cost under schedule information on the baseline. So we can call it as a planned value. That is something. So actual cost, there is no difference. Actual is nothing but actual. There is no change. Now mangoes, we are going to, we are, for example, we are going to buy the one mobile. So there is a different way. So we are going to check. I've gone to the one store, mobile store, Samsung. Then we checked out. So the cost means actual cost. There is no change. What is say if you request, sir, give me the 100 rupees discount, give me 1,000 rupees because Amazon is giving the good discount. There is no. They said okay, go and buy there only. But the actual cost means what they are putting the cost means that is the actual cost. There is no changes. They already mentioned the final price. There is no bargain. They mentioned clearly, for example. So actual cost means actual cost. There is no change. Okay. So next one, earned value. Earned means it's a physical build. So earned means here there is a changes, a variation. We can ask the some kind of the bargain at here. Earned value. So ask them. So yeah, so they said 1,000 rupees. Can you give the 800 rupees so that I'm interested to buy the 800 rupees. Can you give it? They say okay, go for 900. So that finally we are getting the bargain. So that we got it the 900 or maybe the 850, the final price. Right? It is a physical bill. Physical means we are talking, discussing. So how much 100? So can you give it 80 rupees? Yeah, okay, take it. So like that. So this is the planned value, actual value, and earned value. These are the things actually under the cost analysis. Next one we'll go for the schedules. So what is a schedule actually? Schedule variance, how much the differentiation in between the schedule. So you can write it. This formulas are these things. I think I don't have the note. Otherwise, I will show it to you. So wait. But let me check. No, here is the 2 exercise only. I think I don't have, but okay, no problem. I think a few things is not there. But these are small things, right? So, but I couldn't write it on paper. I mean, in the text format actually. Okay, schedule variance means So schedule variance means write it. There is a schedule variance, cost variance, schedule index. Don't forget again. I repeat this one: schedule variance and cost variance and schedule index. So write down the schedule variance. EV minus PV is nothing but it's a schedule variance. Again, EV minus okay, so we keep it the actually schedule variance equal to EV minus earned value. Don't forget, I mean, the last time I explained this one, earned value and other one, sorry, it one is actual value. Earned value minus another one is it is a planned value, sorry, PV, planned value, which means schedule variance is nothing but earned value minus planned value. Don't forget. And the next one, cost variance. Cost variance. I'm a structural engineer. I'm going to explain about the economics. Okay. See that. So cost variance. I think this is the project planning. There is a bit we are going to discuss a bit in the the economics also. This is related to economics. So the cost variance. So cost variance is nothing but earned value minus actual cost. Actual variance actually. Okay. So next one, schedule index. Schedule index is nothing but earned value by planned value by divided by PV. So this is the something to understanding that. Again, I repeat these two things without confusion. See the what is the cost? The cost analysis, cost COST, cost analysis. It is a basically it is a three types of analysis: planned value, PV, actual value, EV. So we know very well about the planned value, actual planned value, yeah, correct. And actual cost and earned cost are something we know very well. But what is the schedule variance actually? So schedule variance is nothing but earned value minus planned value is nothing but it's a schedule variance. And the cost variance is nothing but earned value minus AV.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
can you explain this by assuming a construction of a house, this type of cost analysis? Means assume I want to construct a house of like 1 lakh rupees. So can you explain this term of assuming this example?
Yeah. So we need to wait until, because we are going to give the some activities inside the here. These are the activities. Wait. Activities. WBS. These are all the activities. So what is the activities actually here? See some EC 00510. There is a foundation is the structure is the mechanical electrical system is there, elevator already installed, HVAC is installed, plumbing and electrical installed. So that these are the activities. Inside the activities, we are going to show these are all the things that we can show the baseline format. But the baseline, these are all the things, we need to wait. First, we have to create the breakdown structures. So OBS ordinary breakdown structures, and also another one, project portfolio, EPS, enterprise project structures. These are all the things we need to create. Then only we have to, and you can understand actually these theory part actually. So before on that, if I direct to go to explain this one, you're getting confusion. So therefore, we have to know what is the activities. See here, what is the WBS code? What is the WBS name? What is the activities? What is the cost? What is the schedule index? These are the things we need to know before to go to the software. Yeah. For example, you want to start one structural project in AutoCAD. Before on that, we have to learn the basic commands, right? Without learn the command, how we can do the project? The same thing, you know. So we have to know the basic concept of the project planning. What is a PET? What is a CPM? Critical path method. What is the schedule variance? What is the cost analysis? What is a network analysis? Network diagrams. These things, minimum knowledge that we have to gain first. That's it. So this is the cost index actually. The final, there is a cost index. EV by AV is the name is called a cost index. So that's it today. But you people maybe a bit confusion about these are all the things because this is out of the civil concept. You have to know, you have to wait, you have to understanding these things. So maybe the 1 or 2 classes, then maybe you will be moving in my track until getting confusion. But no worry, give me the 2 days more so that once we start this work in the Primavera environment, so that we can easy to know, okay, this is the Primavera, okay, very easy. You feel like that. Okay, so until to wait.
Sir, can you show me the previous page, sir, cost variable?
So cost variable or something, that we have to switching to the open to the other way activities actually, because my project is different way. There is so that I have to check it all the things actually. So many things. So definitely I will show you to you baseline. What is the baseline? What's the cost variance? Wait until I think maybe the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we can start. Don't know.
Sir, I want to solve formulas which is you written previous.
Oh, okay. Formulas. Okay. Wait. Yeah, see this is the schedule variance. Schedule variance is nothing but earned value minus planned value, V. Fatafat, you can take the picture, that could be helpful. Or you can also record the DS. We have the option. You can also use the recorded. Keep it in record.
Sir, what is the full form of SI, sir?
SV, schedule variance. Yes, not S. This one, bottom one, right? Okay, schedule index.
Schedule index.
Sir, when you will
Pardon,
get
sir,
this
could you
video, sir?
please explain cost index, please?
Cost index. Okay. So cost index is nothing but so earned value by actual value is nothing but cost index or cost performance index. You can call it as cost index. See the differentiation. Cost index, EV by earned value by AV, actual variance. So there is a 4 categories. See the schedule variance, cost variance, sorry, schedule index, cost index. So what is a SV means EV minus PV, earned value minus planned value, and cost variance is nothing but earned value minus actual value, and schedule index is nothing but earned value by planned value. Then final one, cost index is equal to earned value by actual value. This is the something. So cost index you can also called performance index, cost performance index. Yeah, please.
Hello.
Please
Sir, I
tell.
want to ask something. Sir, actual value is the cost which is coming after the construction. After the plan.
Actual.
Yeah. And the planning cost is the what we are planning for the project.
Actual is actually these are all the things actually. Actual value is nothing but actual cost. Actual cost will not change, right? Will not vary. How you say? It's not in variance, not changing. So it is under the cost analysis, which means actual value only will not change under the cost analysis. So I need to buy the one pen, means that is a 10 rupees, means 10 rupees. They don't give. They already market the pen is a 10 rupees. That is
I
the
want
thing.
to, I want to ask one thing,
Please.
just for example, project cost is
Hello?
the, which, hello?
Hello. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please, can you speak loudly?
Yes, sir. Plan cost is the cost which we have applied for in the planning phase.
Yes. Yes.
For example, if you are making a construction of a house, we have planned for 1 crore. Then the actual cost is the cost which is coming after the construction of the, it is coming 1.5. Then what is the EV, earned value?
What is the
EV, earned value.
earn value? Earn value.
Yeah.
See the earn value where it was useful actually under the cost variance, correct? Under the schedule variance, under the schedule index, all the way earned value will be associated. Cost
What is-
variance means what? Earned value, actual, I mean the actual value, I mean the EV minus AV, right? So means EV
So
means
meaning of earned value, sir.
so meaning means so earned means it's a physical build DS actually. So earned means it's a physical. Actual means there is no change, it's a fixed one. Earned means, see the, for example, today we buy the 5 bags of cement. Today cost is one bag is, for example, 600 rupees. But tomorrow I have again we need to buy the another 5 bags. Maybe the tomorrow maybe the price will be increased. So maybe the tomorrow we have to buy one bag, maybe the 650 rupees. Means it's a physical changing. So what happened? Yesterday one is the actual cost, but we are asking actual cost is 600 rupees. Why you are charging the 50 rupees? Means it is a earned cost, because that is a physically maybe the shopkeeper or maybe the market price is increased. That is name is called a earned cost. Actually, we can't do it that one, because actual cost is different and earned cost is different. So on the time during the time schedule.
So the increase in cost is considered as earned value,
Yes,
no?
not for increasing actually. Maybe the
Decreasing also.
yes. Today we buy the one cooking oil. I mean the 2 months back. 2 months back we buy it around 150. Today is 106 rupees. Roughly, I'm telling you. So that maybe the tomorrow, maybe the down, maybe the 110 rupees. So like that, refined oil. So maybe the variance. So if you go to buy somewhere, market, big bazaar. So that maybe the price is variance. Maybe the today is a different price. Maybe the tomorrow is a different price. Regular usage things actually. Okay. So that's it.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
confuse. Don't confuse. Tomorrow, otherwise, I will type it something note. Then I will show it to you. You can note
Sir,
it.
can you share this? Sir, can you share this PDF, sir, on Teams?
Yeah, I will share it because this is the company one. Then I will give this, take it some screenshot and I will share it to you. No problem. Okay. Okay. All
sir.
right. And
Tomorrow class will be, sir, 2 to 3, sir.
yes, yeah, that I'm explain actually. So that I'm going to explain. So tomorrow is a 2 to 3 per Primavera, and we will go for a 10 minutes break, and then we can start again 3 to 4 BIM. During the session, so I will share this some screenshot. No worry, tomorrow. Okay. Then because I have to start another class in my some other area. So okay.
Sir,
So
please discuss to the management team for the MEP class, sir.
so definitely. I will maybe the madam already is there in the I mean the conference. She may be discuss and to. And how many people already completed roughly to? Can you give the some numbering?
Yes, sir, almost 90%.
90%. No. I'm asking how many. So today actually wait a minute. Today almost is a 22 numbers is connected. But how many people are completed architectural section out of
Okay, sir.
22 roughly?
So it's approximately 15, sir.
15. But the
Yes,
rest of people is not. That's actually I have I have no idea about that one. So I will check it check with management and maybe the
So we will raise hands, sir. The students which have already completed the structure and architecture portion, sir.
Okay, so no problem. So better to I'm not much aware of this one, right? So I have to anyway I have to ask to them to check with the management. I will let you know by tomorrow. No problem. Okay, well, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.